Okay, you guys, today I'm gonna make a hair mask for my hair, and I'm gonna be using the egg white and egg yolk. I was only gonna use one or the other, but when I did a little bit of research, you can use both and it'll be fine. So I put the egg yolk, well, the 2 eggs in there. And y'all, I like to eyeball my stuff. So what we're using is egg, honey. I like to buy local honey, mayonnaise, olive oil. I like to use this oil. It works good for hair growth. And then add some tea tree in, and I'm gonna add some neem in also. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to do 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, like a healthy amount of mayonnaise. Actually, I'm going to do 2 since I did 2 eggs, because I want it like to completely saturate my hair with it. Yeah, mayonnaise stink. I'm just saying. So that's what it looks like now. And then I'm going to add some olive oil, which I'm kind of going to eyeball that. And so it looks like with the olive oil in there. If I can get this top off of the honey, I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons of honey. Y'all, I'm sorry, I hardly ever just measure out stuff. I eyeball my color most of the time. I eyeball when I cook. It's just a part of who I am. So now I'm gonna have to measure the actual tea tree out, because this one doesn't have the dropper on it. So I'm gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of tea tree, and the same with the, I don't know if it's pronounced Ylang. 1/4 of Ylang. And I'm going to do 2 full drops of the neem oil. You can kind of play around with this however you want to, as far as like the consistency goes. So I'm just going to squirt that in there. So then I'm going to whisk it all together. Okay, so that's what it looks like whisked together, and it has like the kind of thick consistency. If you want it a little bit thicker and not to be so runny, add more mayonnaise or more honey, because honey has a sticky consistency. But I'm gonna go upstairs to show you guys how I put it on. Okay, you guys, I have washed my hair. I washed my hair with the Mane and Tail Herbal Grow shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm going to use the Herbal Growth Spray Therapy by Mane and Tail. And I thought I brought my towel up here, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna do like a wash and go look. Yeah, I don't do my edges. I still been working on getting them to grow back. So I'm just gonna take the olive oil fortifying cream hairdress infused with castor oil. This is what it looks like. I do use my growth oil and stuff too on my hair. What I've noticed about my hair, it takes cream hairdressing grease better than any type of oil. Like my scalp just feels a lot better when I use like a cream over an oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna take just like a band. It has no metal on it. Like, be wary of the headbands with metal on it. It pulls your hair entirely too much. So I'm gonna pull that back here, and hold on one second, I forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Edge Booster Stronghold Styling Gel for my edges. It matched my outfit. Okay. So I just brush that on first before I start. And I'm gonna do a little swoop right there. I've been trying to take a little break from my wigs just because I feel like where the band sits at for the wig, I feel like it's not allowing my hair to grow like right here where the band sits at. So I've been rocking my little fro for the last couple days, and I try to like take my wig off as much as possible when I do wear it, because I don't wear it, I wear it glueless right now anyway. Yeah, my baby, like my edges, like right here, my sideburns, it's like they don't want to be mid-length. They just want to grow long like the rest of the hair, which is fine. So this is it. I'm just going to do like this cute little puff. It'll dry and I'll pick it out a little bit more for it to get bigger. But this is how it looks. And I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe below, like, share, and comment. Comment up underneath what hair remedies you use. Like, what's your favorite, you don't have to put like a long paragraph, but what's your favorite hair remedy or hair treatment that you put on your hair? Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.